Hi, this is your teacher Abby and welcome to Hi English. Today, I'm going to cook a very popular Filipino breakfast. It's Tuyo, Sinangag, and scrambled eggs. Come and join me as we cook today. Okay, so what are the things that I'm gonna use for cooking? This is a pan, frying pan, a ladle for frying. We have knife, chopping board, we're gonna use a chopping board. Oil for frying. So you use oil for frying, and water. You use water for boiling. So oil for frying, water for boiling. We're also gonna use mortar and pestle. This is pestle, this is mortar. So you pound the garlic using a mortar and pestle. Garlic. This is the leftover rice from last night. Okay. You use leftover rice for fried rice. It tastes so much better with leftover rice. And we have a bowl, white bowl, and a fork for beating the egg. We also have pepper. This is a ground pepper. See, it's very small. It's ground pepper. We have eggs, 2 eggs. Okay. So there's an idiom that goes, bad egg is a bad person, good egg is a good person. So you say, he is an angry man, he's a bad egg. Okay? Bad egg means bad person. Good egg, good person. Okay. Next we have onion leeks. Onion leeks for the sinangag. Okay? So I'm doing this vlog alone. I don't have anyone to assist me. So I'll just be carrying my phone as I show you how to cook sinangag, tuyo, and scrambled eggs. Come and join me. Now it's a bit cooked, so I have to turn the fish upside down. Turn it upside down, okay? One side is already brownish. You turn it upside down. There is smoke coming out from the pan. Smoke coming out from the pan. Let's cook it a bit more. Okay. I have to adjust the heat so that the fish will not burn. Okay. I think the fish is cooked enough. Okay, so it's done. Then we put it here on the plate. Put on the plate. Put the fish on the plate. So what we have here on the pan is used oil. Used oil. Okay, so this is new oil and that one is used oil. I'm gonna reuse the oil. I'm gonna use this for the fried rice. Okay, but I'm not gonna use everything because this is too much. Okay, I'm gonna put the used oil here. Just a little is left on the pan for the fried rice. Now, I'm going to pound the garlic. Pound the garlic using mortar and pestle. Pound it, okay? Okay, there. Enough. I'm gonna turn on the heat again. After a while, I'm going to put the garlic, including the skin. Okay, I don't have time to remove the skin, so I just put the skin when frying so I don't remove the skin. Okay, it adds flavor to the rice, and I'm lazy to remove. I don't have time. I really don't remove actually. And then now we add the rice. It's a leftover rice from last night. And mix. Okay. Now the rice is turning a bit brown. And then we add a pinch of pepper. Okay. So this one is a pinch of pepper, just very little, a pinch of pepper. And you mix again. And then next, I'm going to add, what's this? Onion leeks. I'm going to cut the onion leeks into pieces and add on the fried rice. I'm going to cut the onion leeks to add to the fried rice. Cut. So cut the onion leeks into small pieces to add to the fried rice. You know, the secrets of chef is adding onion leeks into everything. I've read that actually. So it adds flavor to every food, the onion leeks. Okay. So now I have onion leeks there. I add onion leeks. We continue frying. It gives the fried rice a little flavor. Yes, it gives the fried rice a little color and more flavor. So our sinangag, this fried rice is done, garlic rice is done. I'm now going to put it on the plate. So it's done. Thank you. Okay. So this is the finished product. And this is my vinegar sauce. Vinegar with red chili pepper. So how do you eat this? I'm gonna show you. Filipinos eat this using their hands. Okay? So this is, first you get, Filipinos eat this using their hands. So here, you get a piece of the fish. Yes. Okay, I don't eat the skin. Or maybe, yeah. Okay, so you get a piece of the fish. Dip it into vinegar. And then here with some egg. And you eat. I eat using my hand.
Wow!
It tastes really good. This is the tuyo. You get a piece of it, a piece of the fish. You dip in the vinegar. You dip in the vinegar. Here, get some egg, and then
Wow!